Nitromousse removal. The process for removal is similar to the process for installation, using bead ramps to help the tire slide down into the drop center of the rim. In this video, we are using extra tire levers as bead ramps. Let's introduce the double lever technique. This technique uses a pair of levers to make correct placement much easier. Use the first lever to pry the tire from the rim, then push the second lever deep into the dish of the rim to act as a bead ramp. Part 1. Upper bead removal. First, loosen the rim lock. Using the double lever technique, place your first bead ramp roughly 90 degrees from the rim lock. Then add one more on either side. If you have more bead ramps, feel free to install more. Lubricate the bead ramps with soapy water. Using the double lever technique, place 3 tire levers opposite your bead ramps, roughly 4 inches apart. Then, flip them over. If you're having difficulty flipping them over, add more bead ramps to the opposite side. You may come across a point where the bead becomes too tight to fit a lever. Use the double lever technique to pry the tire down and make room for the first lever. Continue working your way around the tire. If you're having trouble, try moving just a 1/4 inch or so to either side. Once you find the best spot a few times, you'll learn exactly where to place the lever. Once you reach the bead ramps, you might be able to just flip them over. If not, continue using the double lever technique all the way around. Part 2. Nitromousse removal. Flip the wheel over and push the tire down so the nitromousse is off the rim. Start opposite the rim lock. Flip the wheel back over. Insert a lever behind the nitromousse to pry it out. Part 3. Lower bead removal. Start opposite the rim lock. Holding the tire up with one hand, work a tire lever down into place and start levering the tire off the rim. Continue working your way around the tire. Once you're halfway around, the tire will easily slide off the rim. And that's how you remove a nitromousse.